Hello, people. It's day 36, and this is your Abhi. So, my days haven't been going that well off since 3 4 days, and the reason being, I think I'm being a little uh, caught in with slight emotions, and it's kind of spoiling my day. Not completely. I'm not uh, giving up completely. That's not something I can do. That's not something anyone should do. Emotions will keep coming and hitting you on your back. Uh, Although yes, it's not absolutely possible for us to completely ignore them or reject them. Once or the other uh, time you kind of reach back, right? So yeah, I've been having little disturbances in my daily routine or the productive uh, lifestyle that I wanted to develop. Yes, it's a fact that I am learning something from it. I'm gaining a little experience over what mistakes I'm doing, and what I shouldn't do next time, what I shouldn't commit next time. Well, those are of course in my grip, but still, I kind of feel like I'm losing it. Not completely, not like 50% or 40%. 20 25% I'm kind of losing it. Although yes, I am practicing my uh, daily activities that I plan to do, and I am trying my level best to fight off stupid and negative thoughts. It's one thing knowing that they aren't good for you. It's another thing uh, fighting them off, right? You can have different kinds of thoughts which logically don't make sense, but they still come and hit you. And sometimes you just surrender to thinking about them, or you know fighting off that thought and completely wasting a lot of time in the day. And even if you try to ignore it, it'll come back and hit you some of the other time. It's kind of uh, it's a buzz, it's a bee, always making that buzz sound in your near your ear. So it's kind of tough to completely handle all kinds of thoughts and put away them into the trash. Although they're not worth it, you still keep them. Sometimes you still fight with them. The problem lies in that story making machine part of our brain. You, I don't know how it works with other people, but I'm pretty sure this is the case with many of us. Um, your brain constantly makes stories, right? It's the what if machine. Everything, every time it conditions, it takes some case, what if, and makes a complete story. It's a great creative hub, but it's only going to waste your time. You will not be aware of your surroundings, and you will be lost in your thoughts, daydreaming, and basically wasting a ton of your time, right? I think I'm not wasting ton of my time, but yeah, kind of I do lose sometimes. But as compared to how I was previously, I am way better handling those kind of thoughts. So yeah, I'm kind of happy that you know I'm far better than my previous version. So yeah, the goal that I try to achieve these days is mindfulness and control over your thoughts and yourself. I'm kind of working on that, I guess. but yeah, not successful at it. Um, it's not a predicament or something, you know, not really tough to handle, but yes, quite a huge monster to kill. So, yeah, everyone have to develop mindfulness and being aware of their surroundings and their actions and what they are doing. I guess that it kind of helped me, uh, battling this past 3 to 4 days with my thoughts. And one best solution I can give, if you're having stupid thoughts, is um first draw a logical conclusion and drop them like a cloud. Let them just be there. Just ignore them. You can just go ahead with whatever your work and whatever you're doing. I think you need to kind of bring focus into some of the other things so it doesn't distract you. Try doing something that will put you in that flow state of doing some kind of work. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today that I wanted to share. And thank you for listening. See you in the next one.